This video demonstrates an overview of the pneumatic maintenance for Blade 2. Always follow all posted safety instructions. Perform any lockout/tagout procedures according to your company's guidelines, and always review all documentation before operating any equipment. Lockout and tagout guidelines. There is a high-pressure hazard when bleeding pressure from pneumatic lines. Use the following procedure to remove pressure from the system. Lockout and tagout guidelines. First, turn the pressure sensor to the off position and push the blue slide outward so the lockout and tagout hole is visible. Then, lockout and tagout through the hole on the slide. Following the lockout and tagout procedures, the air pressure will automatically be released from the air lines. Pressure switch adjustment on main filter/regulator. There are multiple pneumatic regulators on the Blade 2. The main regulator manages incoming air from the air source, keeping it at the pressure needed for the most robust pneumatic components in the Blade 2 system. It's the only Blade 2 filter/regulator that needs to be connected to an air source. Some parts have their own filter/regulator to reduce the pressure further. Use the following procedure to replace the filter. First, remove pressure from the lines following your company's lockout and tagout procedures. On the filter/regulator, pull downward on the blue tab and twist counterclockwise to remove the bowl. Unscrew the black plastic baffle holding the filter element and remove it from the regulator. Screw the black plastic baffle back into place. Finally, place the bowl back onto the regulator body by pushing up and turning clockwise. Ensure the bowl is secure and the blue tab is in the locked position before returning pressure to the lines. Adjusting the operating pressure. Pull the knob up on the regulator to unlock the adjustment knob. Next, turn the knob to adjust the pressure. Turning the knob clockwise increases the pressure. Turning the knob counterclockwise decreases the pressure. Once the gauge reads 110 psi, push the knob down to lock it into place. Maintenance interval. The regulator uses a filter that must be replaced every 6 months. Refer to the machine manual for instructions on ordering parts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact MiTek Automation Support.